This is Curtis Knoxon with Tag Roofing out at the Kremer residence at 707 Market Street. What we're going to do today is a repairability test. Given that all the repairs have been done before, we're concerned about the repairability of this roof because when these were repaired, they had to lift up 2 shingles above in order to get a good seal on these and able to nail in the shingles. So what I'm going to do is break the seal on this shingle right here, and then I'm going to lift it 3 times to simulate a repair. One, 2, 3. And as you can see, as I lightly brush away, there's a crease that is formed across the top, meaning that this test has failed and that this roof is not repairable.